So today we're putting in vibratory stone columns to densify the soil so that they can use traditional foundation methods to install for these massive wind turbines that you see standing behind me. The vibratory stone columns are extremely more cost-effective than typical over-excavation or a more costly deep foundation system. No spoils removal and a fast, efficient installation process. It allows general contractors to use traditional shallow foundations.
In this case, the soils allow us to use the top feed method, which means that we can open the hole with the vibratory flot, place the rock in the hole, and then build the pile from the bottom up using multiple lifts.
If the soils were collapsible, then we would need to alternate to a bottom feed method.
Our computer monitoring systems that all of our VSC rigs are outfitted with are unique in the marketplace.
This particular data logger shows the number of piles, the time it took to install the piles, the bar pressure we achieved on every lift of each vibratory stone column. So this gives a general contractor and an engineer of record an amazing peace of mind.
Accelerating schedules and better utilizing dollars, that's another method that we can use for quality assurance that gives us those checks and balances, and then allows us to also move the schedule of the project along a little quicker.